सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
Today, January 13 marks the birth anniversary of NMTV Editor-in-Chief Dr. Ravi Subbiah. NMTV pays tribute to Dr. Ravi, who passed away on 2nd of February 2020. Full of energy and a quality of having a rare foresight, Dr. Ravi Subbiah was admired and respected across Navi Mumbai. He was uncompromising when it came to matters of interest of citizens in Navi Mumbai, whose progress and development no one can deny he immensely contributed to. He launched NMTV in the year 2000 at a time when he was already successfully placed as a director of one of Navi Mumbai's largest cable operator networks. NMTV started as a half-hour weekly news known as Navi Mumbai News on the cable network, became daily thereafter until NMTV was launched as a 24 hours local cable news station in Navi Mumbai, running news in 3 languages: English, Hindi and Marathi. A man on a mission, NMTV under Dr. Ravi Subbiah earned a name for not just raising the most significant issues of Navi Mumbai while promoting education, arts, culture and sports, but under Dr. Ravi, Navi Mumbai earned some of the most popular names in the field of journalism. And in the last 2 years, Dr. Ravi Subbiah also gave voice and platform to Navi Mumbai's most noted activists who made NMTV their medium to raise and resolve public issues. Ever since he became a journalist, Dr. Ravi Subbiah knew no other life than NMTV. Outside of NMTV, his social life was spent with his family and his church. His day would always begin with reaching NMTV, meeting people of all walks of life in his cabin, and when not in office, he would be taking NMTV to places. As a journalist, he has also launched the Handicap Welfare Association. As its president, he pioneered the battle against a system for equal rights and opportunities for persons with disabilities. That qualities that everyone remembers him for is that no matter who reached out to him, Dr. Ravi Subbiah was always there to help them with an advice or taking up the issue on NMTV or sending his journalists on field to get the issues resolved. He was known to be there for anyone at any hour or any time of the day. No one can deny that he was a compassionate human being, always there for anyone in distress. Dr. Ravi was born in the slums of Dharavi and moved to Navi Mumbai at the age of 3 years. His mother had to fight with an entire education system to ensure Dr. Ravi was enrolled in a normal school to get mainstream education. Many who knew his mother, Tilakavati Subbiah, say that it was his mother's quality of being a fighter that Dr. Ravi inherited. During graduating years in Mumbai University, Dr. Ravi also became a teacher to earn a living. Dr. Ravi Subbiah turned every adversity into opportunity. Citizens of Navi Mumbai who worked with Dr. Ravi Subbiah are witness to the manner in which he worked tirelessly for Navi Mumbai for more than 2 decades. His spirit and commitment were unparalleled. Dr. Ravi Subbiah was also the first person with disability in the world to head the operations of a local cable news station. This feat was recognized when the University of Jerusalem conferred on him an honorary doctorate for his research and work in the field of media and news broadcasting industry. And it also made top universities of the world in United States and United Kingdom invite him as an inspirational and motivational speaker to youth. This included his visit to Oxford University. Dr. Ravi Subbiah was truly a shining star of Navi Mumbai, a beacon of Navi Mumbai's bold and daring voices who left his mark on the world. He continues to be remembered fondly by citizens of Navi Mumbai who knew him and of him. He truly leaves behind a legacy that inspires one to never quit, a legacy of strength and courage that not many can match. Zeba Warsia for NMTV News.